Welcome to Techie PM Talks. In today's fast paced and dynamic business environment, effective project management is crucial for the successful delivery of projects across various industries. With a multitude of methodologies available, each offering unique frameworks and practices, it can be challenging to determine which approach is best suited for your specific project needs. In this video, we will explore the most prominent project management methodologies, including Waterfall, Agile, Lean, Six Sigma, Prince2, Hybrid, Critical Path Method, and PMBOK. We'll discuss their core principles, advantages, and ideal applications, helping you gain a deeper understanding of how to select the right methodology to enhance your project success. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey, this comprehensive overview will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the diverse landscape of project management methodologies. Let's dive in. What is project? A project is a temporary endeavor that involves a series of activities and deliverables and will give a specific product or service as a result. Every project has a defined start time and end time and always has specific objectives or goals to achieve. A project operates within the constraints of scope, time, and resources like budget and manpower. Projects can range in complexity and size but are typically distinct from routine operations. Building a new office complex or residential building, developing a mobile application for a specific client need, organizing a corporate conference or trade show, launching a new product or service, implementing a sustainability initiative, implementing an electronic health record system in a hospital, designing and implementing a new curriculum for a school district, etc., are some of the projects of diverse nature across different sectors of industries. What is project management? Project management is a practice that leads work to achieve goals which meet the acceptance criteria within specified constraints. It is the application of processes, methods, knowledge, skills, and experience to accomplish the specific project objectives. It involves a well defined planning, execution, monitoring, and closing of projects. It coordinates people, tools, and processes to deliver a product or service on time and within budget. Key responsibilities of project management: defining goals and scope of the project, creating project plans that include timelines, resources, and budget, leading and motivating teams to achieve objectives, managing resources to ensure project execution, monitoring progress and adjusting the plans as necessary, closing the project and ensuring that all objectives have been met. What is project management methodologies? Project management methodology is a structured approach that provides a set of principles, practices, processes, and guidelines to efficiently plan, execute, and complete a project. It defines how tasks are managed, how the team collaborates, and how progress is monitored, ensuring that the project meets its objectives within the constraints of time, cost, and scope. Different methodologies such as Agile, Waterfall, etc., offer various frameworks based on the project's requirements, complexity, and the industry in which it operates. Choosing the right project management methodology depends on various factors, including the complexity of the project, team dynamics, industry standards, and the need for flexibility. For projects with fixed, well defined requirements, a structured, sequential approach like Waterfall or Prince2 may be best suited, as they offer clear planning and documentation. Agile methodologies work well for projects with evolving requirements or for teams that need rapid feedback cycles, making them ideal for software development and innovation driven projects. Lean is beneficial for industries focused on efficiency and waste reduction, such as manufacturing, while Six Sigma its advantages in environments requiring high quality standards. Hybrid methodologies combine traditional and agile elements to cater to complex projects that require a balance of flexibility and structure. Ultimately, the choice of methodology should align with the project's goals, team capabilities, and organizational culture to ensure effective management and successful outcomes. Some of the common project management methodologies are Waterfall, Agile, Lean Project Management, Six Sigma, Prince 2, Hybrid Project Management, Critical Path Method, and PMBOK. The waterfall methodology is a linear and sequential project management approach where each phase must be completed before the next begins, resembling a cascading waterfall. This methodology emphasizes thorough planning, documentation, and a clear structure, making it easy to manage and predictable in terms of timelines and deliverables. Waterfall is particularly well suited for projects with well defined requirements and stable goals, such as construction or manufacturing, where changes are costly and disruptive. The process includes stages like requirement gathering, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance, each with specific deliverables. While waterfall's rigidity can be a limitation in projects with evolving requirements, it offers a straightforward and systematic framework that's effective when outcomes and requirements are clearly established from the start. The Agile methodology is an adaptive, iterative approach to project management focused on flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback. Unlike linear methodologies, Agile breaks projects into small, manageable increments called sprints, typically lasting 1 to 4 weeks. Each sprint delivers a working piece of the project, allowing for continuous renewal and adjustment based on feedback, which makes Agile ideal for projects with evolving requirements such as software development. Agile relies on cross functional collaborative teams who work closely to prioritize tasks, troubleshoot issues, and adapt to change. With frameworks like Scrum and Kanban, Agile emphasizes transparency, adaptability, and rapid response to feedback, enabling teams to deliver high quality results quickly. However, Agile's fast pace and need for constant collaboration may be challenging in traditional or rigid organizational structures. The lean project management methodology focuses on maximizing value while minimizing waste, drawing inspiration from lean manufacturing principles developed by Toyota. This methodology emphasizes efficiency by identifying and eliminating activities that do not directly contribute to the project's value. Key principles of lean include continuous improvement, empowering team members, delivering value quickly, and reducing unnecessary costs and delays. Lean is particularly useful in industries like manufacturing and engineering, where efficiency is critical to success. By streamlining processes and focusing only on essential tasks, Lean enables teams to deliver high quality outcomes efficiently. However, implementing Lean requires a culture of continuous improvement and a willingness to adapt processes, which may be challenging in traditional or change resistant environments. The Six Sigma methodology is a data driven approach to project management focused on improving quality by reducing defects and minimizing variability in processes. Originating in manufacturing, Six Sigma employs statistical tools and rigorous quality control techniques to identify and eliminate errors, ensuring high precision and consistency. The methodology uses two key frameworks: DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control for improving existing processes, and DMADV, define, measure, analyze, design, and verify for creating new ones. Six Sigma's structured step by step approach is particularly valuable in industries like manufacturing and healthcare, where precision is critical and mistakes can have significant consequences. Although highly effective, Six Sigma can be complex and resource intensive, often requiring specialized training and a dedicated focus on quality management that may not suit all project environments. The PRINCE2 Projects in Controlled Environment methodology is a process based approach to project management that emphasizes organization, control, and accountability across each stage of a project's life cycle. Originating in the UK and widely adopted by government and large enterprises, Prince2 divides projects into manageable stages, each with defined roles and responsibilities, clear planning, and structured progress assessments. The methodology is highly adaptable, allowing it to scale for projects of varying sizes and complexities. Core to Prince 2 are its principles, such as learning from experience, managing by stages, and focusing on business justification, which ensure that the project aligns with strategic goals and delivers value. While Prince2's rigorous structure can make it challenging for fast paced or highly dynamic projects, it's especially useful for large, complex projects that benefit from well documented governance and a systematic, process driven approach. The hybrid project management methodology combines elements from both traditional and agile approaches, offering a flexible framework that adapts to the unique needs of a project. In hybrid methodology, teams might use a linear, structured approach for planning and establishing requirements, then switch to Agile's iterative process during execution. This combination allows for the predictability of waterfall in phases where detailed planning is beneficial and the adaptability of Agile when flexibility is needed. Hybrid methodology is ideal for complex projects that require both stability in certain areas and responsiveness to changing requirements in others, such as in software development or product innovation. While the hybrid approach brings the best of both worlds, it also requires experienced project managers and team members to effectively manage the balance, as switching between methodologies can add complexity. The critical path method, or CPM, is a project management technique used to schedule and manage complex projects by identifying the longest sequence of dependent tasks, known as the critical path. These tasks must be completed on time for the project to finish as scheduled, as any delays on this path directly impact the overall project timeline. CPM involves mapping out all project tasks, estimating their duration, and determining dependencies between them. This allows project managers to focus on the most time sensitive tasks and allocate resources effectively, ensuring timely progress. Non critical tasks with some flexibility in their timing are also identified, enabling teams to prioritize resources strategically. CPM is particularly valuable in large scale construction, engineering, and manufacturing projects where understanding dependencies and managing timelines is crucial. However, CPM may struggle with highly flexible or iterative projects as it is the best suited to stable, predictable workflows. The PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge methodology, established by the Project Management Institute (PMI), is a comprehensive framework that outlines standardized practices and guidelines for effective project management across industries. Rather than being a strict methodology, PMBOK serves as a guide encompassing best practices within five key process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Within these groups, PMBOK highlights 10 knowledge areas, including integration, scope, schedule, cost, quality, risk, communication, human resource, procurement, and stakeholder management, each with its specific tools and techniques. PMBOK flexibility allows project managers to tailor its practices to a wide range of project types and sizes, making it applicable to both complex and straightforward initiatives. Known for its structured approach and focus on documentation, PMBOK helps teams ensure consistency, alignment, and risk management throughout the project lifecycle. While its extensive guidelines make it adaptable, the framework can be complex and may require training to implement effectively. In summary, project management is the practice of organizing and leading work to achieve specific goals within defined constraints like time, budget, and scope. It involves planning, executing, monitoring, and completing projects to meet objectives efficiently. Various project management methodologies offer structured approaches to these processes. Some common ones include Waterfall, a sequential and linear method, Agile, an iterative and flexible approach, Lean, focused on minimizing waste, Six Sigma, which emphasizes quality and reducing defects, Prince 2, a process driven methodology, and Hybrid, which blends traditional and agile practices depending on project needs. Each methodology suits different project types, industries, and team dynamics. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Also, give your valuable suggestions as comments. Catch you next time with more exciting content. Until then, stay awesome and take care.